Good morning, students. Today I start chapter 4 polynomials. Second chapter and third chapter. Third chapter I will do after school starts. Polynomials. Polynomials in one variable. Variable is denoted by symbol that can take any real value. About algebraic expressions, terms, variables and constants you have learnt in your 7th standard. Just recalling what you have learnt in 7th standard. Variable is denoted by a symbol that can take any real value. We use the letters, any alphabets, small letters to denote variable. 2x plus 3y and 4x plus y are algebraic expressions. In that, x and y are variables. So, altogether 2x is a variable, 2x is a variable and 3y is also variable because it 3 and 3 is with the variable. So, this becomes a variable. Here, these two are called algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions like 2x, x square plus 2x, y to the power of 8 plus y square plus 1 are algebraic expressions in one variable. Why this is called one variable? Because if you take this contains single term. So x is the variable here, but this contains two terms. In that variables are here also x, this term also contains x, this also contains x, single variable, and here variables are y and y. So in one variable is one variable. So expressions of this form are called polynomials in one variable is same. So in the polynomial x square plus 2x, x square and 2x are called terms. X square and 2x are called terms. Each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. So in each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. So in x square plus 2x, the coefficient of x square. So x square is here. Its coefficient is no number here. If no number means you have to consider that number as 1. X square coefficient is 1 and the coefficient of x is 2. With the x variable 2 is there. With the x square no number, so you have to consider that as 1. That is called coefficient. So constant polynomial. See, just if you write only number 2 is a polynomial. In fact 2, minus 5, 7 etc. are examples of constant polynomial because 2, 5, 7 are constants. So this is called a constant polynomial. The constant polynomial 0 is called the zero polynomial. The constant polynomial 0 is called the zero polynomial. Monomial. Polynomials having one term is called monomial. One term. So see, this is one polynomial 2x. It contains single term. 7. It contains single term. Also this is a constant polynomial. Minus 5 y square. So this together you have to take. So this is a one term. This also one term. So these all the four polynomials contain single term. So this polynomials are called monomial. Monomial means polynomials having only one term. Binomials, polynomials having two terms. See here 2x plus 6 is an algebraic expression or polynomial. So it contains two terms. Which are the two terms? 2x and plus 6 are the two terms. So here 2m square and m in this polynomial 2m square and m, 3y and minus 10 are two terms. Though these polynomials contain two terms, so this is called binomial. Trinomial means three terms. Here 3y square, 2y and minus 7. In this polynomial it contains three terms. Q of s. So we can name this polynomial also. The name of this polynomial is a of y. A of y means polynomial with the variable y. Q of s. This should be Q of s means this is name of the polynomial. This is optional. Without name also you can write. Q of s is root 2 plus x square. This also contains three terms. Root 2 x and minus x square. These are three terms in this polynomial. So this is called a trinomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree, see, this is one polynomial. Q of y is equal to 7 y to the power of 6 plus y minus 3. So this should be capital letter a of y. Please do correction. A should be capital name, y should be small letter, and name, this should be outside what we are writing the alphabet, that should be capital. So this is also capital. So q of y is equal to 7y to the power of 6 plus y minus 3. So this is the polynomial. This is trinomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree, this contains single variable, right? Y is the variable here. Which is the highest degree? This is the, this here no degree power. Exponent is called exponent you have to check. So here no exponent means you have to consider that as 1. So here no variable, you have to check the power or exponent of variable, not the numbers. So y to the power of 6 and y to the power of 1. In this bigger exponent is 6 here. So degree is 6. So degree of the non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Constant polynomial, 0 is a constant polynomial. Its degree is always 0. Find the degree of the polynomials. X square, x to the power of 4 plus 3. This is a polynomial of polynomial in one variable, because this also contains same variable x square and x. So power is 4, highest power is 4, so degree is 4. Simple question. So 2 minus y cube and y is a variable, in that highest power is 8, so degree is 8. 2, this is a constant polynomial, no variable, we are comparing the exponent of a variable. Here no variable means degree is 0. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. See here, this is polynomial p of x is equal to x. X is a polynomial. Here what is the degree? Exponent of this polynomial. No degree means no exponent means you have to consider that as 1. So degree is 1. So degree here 1. Here also variable is y. Its power is 1. Here also variable is x, not pi. Pi has value. X is the variable. Its degree is 1. So this is called, these three polynomials are called linear polynomial. Actually polynomial is x here, y minus 3 and x plus pi. Here degree is 1. In all these three polynomials degree is 1. So this is called linear polynomial. Any linear polynomial is x will be of the form, any linear polynomial will be of the form ax plus b, will be of the form, is x is not there, this is not there, will be of the form ax plus b. This is a general form, ax plus b, where a and b are the constants. Where a and b are constant means numbers here, a and b are numbers. You see here, y, any x, in the place of x any alphabet we can take, any variable we can take, not always x. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Linear means degree 1, degree 2. See here, variable is x, highest power degree, here highest power is 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Here also variable is m, here m to the power of 2, here m to the power of 1. So highest degree power is 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial of x is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This is a general form of quadratic polynomial, and where a, b, c are constant and a not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial in x, not is x, in x will be of the form ax plus b. So cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. See, general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c, d are constants. This question may come like general form. Cubic polynomial means you have to write ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t. Quadratic means you have to write ax square plus bx plus c. So example, 2x cube plus 1. These terms may, if it is not there also okay, but power x variable with the degree 3 should be, power exponent 3 should be there. So 2x cube plus 1, this is a monomial, but degree is 3, degree should be 3. Here this contains, this polynomial contains 4 terms. So variable x, in that if you compare the exponents, this is the highest degree. So degree of this highest exponent, so degree of the polynomial is 3. So if degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial. So these notes you have to copy in your notes. After that some example sums, similar sums, exercise sums, homework sums, similar sums are there in exercise page. See, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reasons. See, 4m square minus m plus 10. So this contains variable m, same variable, one variable. Here if it is n means it is not one variable. So one variable, polynomial in one variable, because it has single variable m. M square minus n square plus 7. It is not a polynomial in one variable because it has two variables m and n. Because it has two variables m and n, so this is polynomial in two variables. So this is polynomial in two variables. Root 2 root x plus x root 2 and t plus 2 by t. 2 by t. See, both are not polynomials only, because the condition is polynomial in that the exponent of the variable must be whole number. See, 2 root x plus x root 2 means, if you write this in exponential form, x to the power of half, root means exponential form of that is half plus x root 2. So half is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. So t plus 2 by t. So t plus 2, if you write this to take this t to the numerator, it power becomes minus 1. This is not a whole number. So this is the reason these two are not polynomials. So t to the power of minus 1, in that minus 1 is minus 1 is not a whole number, so they are not polynomials. These two are not polynomials. Next, write the coefficient of x square. See, this is the polynomial, this is trinomial with variable x. Coefficient of x square is with the x square, number is not there. If number is not there means you have to consider that as 1. So 1 is the coefficient of x square. With the x, constant with the variable is the coefficient. So 3 by 2 x square plus 1. In this, 3 by 2 is the coefficient of x square. Root 5x plus x cube. Here x square is not there. They are asking coefficient of x square. So 0 is the coefficient of x square. So give an example of a binomial of degree 30 and a monomial of degree 90. So binomial of degree 30 is your own example. You can write one example I have written here. Binomial means it says polynomial should contain two terms. So two terms means one term degree 30. So 3x to the power of 30 plus 7. Exponent says degree of the polynomial. So 30 should come. It should contain two terms. So you can write here 3x to the power of 30 plus x also you can write. That is also correct. Monomial of degree 9. Monomial means single term. So m to the power of 90. In this place you can write any variable, that is any alphabet you can write. So write the degree. 4m to the power of 4 plus 3m square. Degree is, variable is m. Compare the exponents. Highest is 4. So degree is 4. Here constant polynomial. This is only a number means it is a constant polynomial. No variable. We are comparing the exponents of variables. No variable means degree is 0. Here x variable, no degree no exponent means consider that as 1. So degree is 1. These are the example sums, and similar sums are there in exercise. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. First example sum. Write the coefficient of x square. Give an example. This is third question I have solved. Write the degree. Now, but this fifth question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. If you read the definition, understand it, then you can classify. So x square plus x, this is power 2. Degree 2 means it is a quadratic. Degree 3 means it is a cubic. Square degree 2, the degree of this is 2. Not terms. Terms means this is trinomial, but a degree we have to see, check to decide quadratic or cubic. Though, so this is quadratic, this is linear because degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic polynomial. Right? Answer this question. Answer page I am not sending because this is very simple questions. If you understand this example sums, you can do this also. Thank you, students.